Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing slash unpackaging to share with you guys. I have absolutely no idea what is in this package. Didn't recognize the name on the front, so I think I'll do another mystery for everybody. This'll be fun. So anyways, thank you so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some of these cool stickers and some other exclusive perks and benefits, there's, of course, a link right down in the description. You're supporting me in the world to me. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right. The suspense is... Actually, I am very interested to find out what's in here. Boy, look at that cut. We are... the joke is stale at this point. It's time to sharpen that thing. Okay, Monterey Bay knives. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, okay, here we go. We've got some stickers. Mild-mannered EDC. Interesting. Let's see here. MC, I'm interested in hearing your thoughts on the VLD. All the best, MMEDC. Here, let me share with you his Instagram. And it's possible he also has a YouTube channel, and I'm so sorry if I should know that and don't, but there you go. At mild-mannered EDC is his Instagram, so give him a follow because it's because of people like him that I'm able to bring you guys daily knife content. Cool stickers, I'll put those on my binder, I appreciate that. Let's get in here because Monterey Bay knives in the past have been pretty darn good. Boy, that's a thick boy, holy moly. Well, the flipping action on that is awesome. Did you hear that noise? Let me do that again. Ooh, click, clack. I like the breaking of the detent is super audible on this guy. This is unbelievably, completely and totally false shot. Here. Woo-wee. Okay, that's cool. Profile is really cool. It kind of reminds me of something. I can't put my finger on it. Nice high satin finished blade. And then we've got an interesting 3D milled titanium pocket clip. Very thick scales, very angular scales. Fills the hand nicely, though. I mean, I'd be lying if I said I didn't feel like I was locked in on this guy. Extended, or jimping, extending out here to maybe 25% the length of the blade. Interesting. I'm going to guess the liner is titanium. Let's get the magnet here real quick and take a look. Every time I use the magnet, people are like, steel's not the only thing that makes a magnet. I understand that, but as far as like liners, as far as liners go, when you have something that is, you know, acting as the lock on a knife, 99.9% of the time in this setup, it's either steel or titanium. So the magnet tells me, is it titanium? In this case, yeah, it appears to be titanium. So that's pretty cool. I like this. I like the color of it. I like how it looks. A little chunky. We're going to have to explore that a little more in the review, but this is certainly interesting. I don't know if I want to, I mean, I'm gonna wonder out loud, and you guys have already seen the thumbnail. I'm not sure if I want to do mystery. I might do maybe like this. Maybe I'll take a picture of the pad. I don't know. Whichever one makes, I'll choose something, and hopefully it made you guys intrigued enough to click on it. Anyways, boy, I think that's about it. Let me zoom in here so you guys can see carry design. I'll have to find out about that. And then Monterey Bay knives. I'm sure a lot of you guys are familiar with them by now. This is nice. The fit and finish on it is great. Actually, I'm curious about the centering. Let's take a look. Probably just needs a little bit of a pivot tightening. Maybe we should, let's give that a shot real quick. I'm going to guess that that's a T8. Perhaps it's larger, though. Is it? Let's find out. I think it's a little bit larger than a T8. I know some people care to watch this and some people don't. I'm sure a lot of people have moved on. I'm feeling like that's maybe a T10. You can pick up my tools down in the description. I just want to see real quick if maybe I can bring that back. Yeah, it is a T10. Is it free spin? Oh, it's spinning on the other side. So maybe we're going to have to work on that a little bit. A little bit off center, but I'm going to imagine that I just need to tighten both sides and get it back on center. How's the lockup? It's solid. So yeah, it's probably just a turn of both sides of the pivot, which is fine. You just need 2 drivers for that, which I also have. They're linked down below, so you guys can pick those up if you want to. Anyways, be sure to follow me on Instagram. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today. Thanks again to Mild-Mannered EDC. Don't forget to follow him on Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like if you'd like to check out my other content. I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do not like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that metal complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.